So today we're going to be unboxing the new Venom 2 from Minimotors.sg. I'm super excited and for what's in stock for us, so let's get right into it. So first off, what I can see from inside this box is a small box which seems to have the manual drive inside it. Of course, the e-bike, the seat. So first of all, if you guys can see from this e-bike, they have already installed the handle for us, all the main components except for the seat and the pedals. The handle is an attachable thing, so maybe if you wanna like save up some space or something like that, you can like fold it and unfold it. So it's a good thing that they cover the handle up so that it will not have any scratches. Next up is the seat. The seat uses the clamp, the seat clamp, which is actually easier for users to actually adjust according to their preference. Next up is the pedals. Inside the manual drive, they have the keys. These two are going to be useful for when we are going to be fixing the bicycle. So the next thing that is inside here is the pedals. So the pedals will have a label saying that it's which one is for the left and the right side. So it seems like this is the left side. So fixing it, it will be just like screwing the screw onto the bicycle. So we just have to use the spanner. The pedal is a foldable pedals. Component, the main switch for you to turn on your e-bike. The key slot which is over here. So this is what it looks like. The final appear of the Venom 2. It looks pretty nice, pretty neat, especially the design.